The world of meditation can be daunting when you first approach it. Part of the journey to mental well-being is determining which meditation practices work well for you. It is, after all, an individual journey. Just remember that creating any sort of regular routine can be meditative and beneficial. So today, let's try a guided breathing meditation. Start by first finding a comfortable seated position, whether that's on a cushion, a chair, or the floor. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze and take a deep breath in through your nose and a slow exhale through your mouth. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Notice any areas of tension or tightness and see if you can let go of any unnecessary tension physically first. Relax your shoulders and soften your face. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Take a few slow, deep breaths, feeling the rise and fall of your chest and belly. Without trying to change your breath in any way, just focus on the sensation of breathing. Notice the coolness of the air as you inhale and the warmth of the air as you exhale. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide your attention back to your breath. Now let's try a simple breathing exercise. Inhale slowly and deeply for a count of 4, and then exhale for a count of 6. Repeat this a few times, focusing on the sensation of breath moving in and out of your body. Feel your lungs filling up with air and inflating your chest. As you exhale, notice your breath traveling out of your body as your torso releases and air escapes your mouth. As you continue to breathe, let yourself relax even more deeply. Let go of any thoughts or worries that may be on your mind. Just be present with your breath and allow yourself to fully unwind. Now take one last deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Continue to maintain a broad awareness as the world around you comes back into focus. Now, this is for the 9-minute mark. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Hopefully, you feel more calm and centered than before. And remember, it can take some time to figure out the meditation methods and practices that work best for you. Keep at it, and thanks for taking the first step today. Hope to have you back soon.